3NT solving simultaneous equations by elimination. Now to solve the equation by elimination, we need to get rid of one of the letters, either x or y. Now in this case, if we were to get rid of either x or y, firstly, we must make them the same number of units. Okay, give me a minute. Same units. Okay, however, let's take a look. This is 2x, this is 3x. They are not the same units. If I want to make them same units, I will need to take equation 1 times 3. Then equation 2 will need to times 2. Then if I were to look at y, this is 3y, but this is y, 1 unit of y, but it's negative. So in this case, if I were to make the y the same number of units, I'll just need to take equation 2 times 3. So therefore, equation 2 times 3 will be a easier way to do the answer. So what we are going to do now, we are going to make y the same number of units. I'm going to take equation 2 times 3 to every single term. What will we get? We will get 9x minus 3y equals to 48. Now let's copy down our original equation. 2x plus 3y equals to 18. Now if I were to have the same units, but the sign are different, so same units, different sign, I will need to add them up. So I'm going to do an addition. Now when we are doing addition, all the sign does not change. So I'm going to add all the terms up here. 9x plus 2x, that will be 11x. Minus 3y plus 3y, there will be no more y. 48 plus 18 will give me 66. In order to get 1 unit of x, I'll need to divide by 11. Divide by 11. Therefore, I'll get x equals to 6. Then, followed by that, after I found x equals to 6, I'll need to find the value for y. I'm going to sub x equals to 6 into one of the equation. You can choose either equation 1 or equation number 2. So in this case, I'll just put into equation number 1. So equation 1 is 2x plus 3y equals to 18. What are we going to do? We are going to replace x. So the moment I see x, I'm going to put bracket. Bracket x is 6. Okay, plus 3y equals to 18. That will give me 12 plus 3y equals to 18. I want to find 3y. I do not want 12. So I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. I'll get 3y. 18 minus 12 will be 6. Dividing both sides by the number 3, y will be equals to 2. Therefore, x equals to 6, y equals to 2. 3NT solving simultaneous equation by elimination. Now solve the following simultaneous equation. In this case, we will want to get rid of either x or get rid of either y. So when we were to do that, we'll need to make sure that both of the equation have the same units. So which one would you like to get rid of? Now For the first one, I'll try to get rid of maybe x. So I will need to make x the same number of units. So if I make x the same number of units, this equation here, equation number 1, this is 5x, but this is 2x for equation number 2. So what I need to do is I'll need to take equation 1 times 2 to every single term. Okay, so equation 1 times 2, that will give me 5x times 2 will be 10x. Minus 4y times 2 will be minus 8y. 1 times 2 will be 2. Okay, and then I will have my next one, equation number 2. This is 5, this is 2. So equation number 2 needs to multiply by 5 to every single term. Okay, such that I will get equation from equation number 2, 2x times 5 will be 10x. 3y times 5, 3 times 5 will be 15y. And 5 times 5 will be 25. Okay, now let's take a look. We have 10x and 10x, and both of them are the same sign. So when we have the same sign, we are going to subtract. Please take note of your subtraction. When there is subtraction, subtract. Okay, this one, the sign will change from positive become minus. This one change from positive become minus. This one change from positive become minus. So in this case, I will have 10x minus 10x. There will be no more x. This one will be minus 8 minus 15 units of y. Okay, what will we get? We will get negative 23 units of y. Okay, and let me erase this away. Now this one over here, 2 minus 25, this will give me negative 23 as well. Okay, so this will be the y. So what are we going to do now? We are going to find 1 unit of y. I can divide both by negative 23 or get rid of the sign first, then divide by 23. I'll get y equals to 1. Now after this, we need to find the value for x. So I will sub y equals to 1 into one of the equation. Now I prefer equation 2 because everything is positive sign. So no need to worry about changing sign. So I'll put it into equation 2. So equation 2 is 2x plus 3y equals to 5. So the moment we see y, we will change it to bracket 1, meaning 3 times 1, which gives you 3. Okay, so simplifying the equation, 2x plus 3 equals to 5. We will need to get rid of 3 so that we can have 2x. How do we get rid of positive 3? We are going to minus 3, minus 3. So this will be 5 minus 3, 2. Then 2 units of x is 2. X will be equals to 1. Therefore, x equals to 1, y equals to 1.